If you're looking for dog collars buckle closure, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 most popular dog collars buckle closure. Number 1, most popular by Bond & Co. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by TiaoBug. Number 3, by GoTags. For more details about these dog collars products, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, by AshopZ. Find these dog collars buckle closure at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6. Number 7, by Mulux. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Buckle Down. Number 9, by AshopZ. Discover more dog collars buckle closure ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Pentac.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.